Hello guys, welcome to another session of Arbitrage Trading. This is not a financial advice unless you do it as I do it. As you can see, we are on the main interface of the Arbi scanner. Now, I know some of you have been struggling with Arbitrage Trading and maybe you have not been able to make profits simply because you have been trying to trade manually. For the arbitrage trading, if you try trading manually, it will be very impossible for you to make good profit, and at sometimes you might end up making no profit because the arbitrage opportunities do come and disappear very fast. They don't stay. The opportunities come even in milliseconds and they disappear in milliseconds. For you to catch that, actually you need a very powerful tool like the Arbi scanner that can help you catch all those opportunities and actually use them and actually execute them in time before they disappear. Now, today I'm going to take you through the Arbi scanner, which is an arbitrage trading tool, and actually it is automated. It have bots that can be used for the arbitrage trading. At times there's so many opportunities in arbitrage. You can do even the flash loan and trade on arbitrage, pay back in a single block. They have the bot for that. We have the triangular arbitrage. Actually, this, and for the triangular arbitrage, it only occur in a single exchange. And also there is a bot called the bot. Actually, it is within this Arbi scanner. I will show you later, and it buys from exchange A and selling on exchange B at a higher price. Now, for arbitrage, guys, what does arbitrage mean? Arbitrage means buying low in this exchange and selling high in another exchange in order to make profit. Now, as you can see here, guys, on this main interface, we have over 4,300 spreads, and also we have 1.6 million in processed volume. We have live signal feeds here that keep on coming and disappearing in 1.8 seconds. You can scroll here. We have all the charts here. It will give you more information about that particular coin, maybe that is on the live feed, guy. So you can scroll down here. When you scroll on this chart down here, you get to see there is a historical arbitrage frequency. Now, this chart here or this graph here will tell you how this particular coin, or it is a commodity or anything, because I told you, because as you know, for the Arbi scanner, it scans different markets. Let's say we have the stocks market, we have the commodity market, and also have the crypto and the forex market. It will tell you how it have been performing in the last 1 hour, in the last 6 hours, and also in the last 24 hours, guys. Now we click here and let's navigate to another part of the Arbi scanner. Let's click here. Let's visit the market. Now, on the market, the Arbi scanner, it have different supported platforms, both in the crypto market, in the forex market, in the stocks market, and in the commodity market. For example, let's go on the crypto market. On the crypto market, we have platforms like Binance, Kraken, Bybit, Coinbase, KuCoin, OKX, Mexkey, Gemini, and all that. Have a lot that is supported here. And also, let's move to the forex. On the forex, there are only like 4 platforms that are supported: the forex.com, IG Markets, Wanda, and also the Paperstone. And let's move to the stocks. We have the New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, and all that, guys. And also, let's move to the commodity. You can see we have all these. We have LME, you have CME, and also we have the ICE, NMX, guys, NYMX, and all that, guys. Now, when you scroll down, we have live prices. On the live prices, you get the exact price, maybe in different markets. Yes, we can see you have the crypto market. In the crypto market, you will get a live price of the BTC against the USD, of the Ethereum against the USDT, of the BNB against the USDT, Solana, XRP, other Dogecoin, and all that. You get everything here, guys. You get everything here. And also, let's go on the Forex. You get the Euro against the USD. You can click and get more information. What is the price? Price of the Euro against the USD is that 1.1639 USD, guys. That is what we get. USD against the Japan yen, what do you get? It is at 159.0063 USD. Yes, that is the price. USD against the Canadian dollar is at 1.3749 USD. That is what we have. You come up here, you have the stocks. Let's say, for example, we have the Tesla. It is at 244.4176 USD. That is the price. And also come back here, we have the commodity. Let's say we have gold. Gold, the price current, we are talking the current price is at 2036.49 USD. That is what we have. Also, you can see the silver. The current price is 24.7051 USD. That is what we have. There's so many commodities here. We can see even the copper. This is at 4.1063 USD. That is what we have, guys. Also, let's navigate to another part. Let's come here and hit on the starport. No, this is on the wallet, guys. Now, for the wallet, the total amount that I have in my wallet is 4,806.10 USD. But this wallet is divided into different segments, guys. Actually, it is in the 3 segments that this wallet is divided into. We have the main trading pool. When you want to execute any trade, guys, like you want to execute any arbitrage opportunity, you only use the amount in the main trading pool. But out there, when you want to execute it, guys, you can also take some amount from the arbitrage you add, also from the reserve, and you add, guys. They are there. Now, how do we get the amount in the arbitrage vault, guys? The amount that is in the arbitrage vault, we came down here, we have a button here, we can set the profit automation so that you can put it to any percentage you want, so that it is up to 50%. That is the maximum. You can set it to any percentage you want, so that any amount, that percentage of the trade that you're going to execute, it goes direct to the arbitrage vault. So for me, you see, I set it at 10%. So when I trade, for example, and I make 100%, 10% goes to my arbitrage vault. Let's say 100 USD, 10 USD goes to my arbitrage vault, and 90 USD goes to my trading pool. That is what I meant, guys. Yeah. Now, let's click back here and let's visit another part of the Abyss scanner, guys. Now, let's click on the scan. When it comes to the scan, guys, this is where we have all the opportunities, guys. This is where we see all the opportunities. And as you can see, we have a market intelligence heat map that shows live volume, how it moves within the markets. And we have all the markets here. They are well represented, guys. And you can see we have the crypto market. You can see how everything is moving. We have the stocks, we have the Forex, and we have the commodity market. That is it. Then when we scroll down, how many opportunities do we have live right now? We have 56 opportunities that can be executed right now as we are talking, guys. I'm telling you, these are Abyss scanner scans, and it is a very powerful tool. You can use it to make a lot of money guys. And as we scroll through the markets for this crypto, we have 46 opportunities. Stocks, we have 3 opportunities. Forex, we have 8 opportunities. Commodity, we have 4 opportunities. Let's go back to Forex here. Scroll down, you can see this one, there is congestion detected. Now there is network congestion that have been detected, guys. Now, and this is a warning. If there is a congestion like this, you are likely to get a slippage. And what do I mean by slippage? Let's say when you get a slippage in a trade, guys, you do not get the intended amount of profit that you're supposed to get. Maybe the net profit was supposed to be 2%. You end up getting 1%, or you end up getting 0. So when you see this kind of warnings, guys, don't proceed to executing that trade, guys. Always step back and look for another trade to execute. So let's scroll back here. Yes, there's another congestion again here, I can see, but now that batch have disappeared. Let's go to the crypto, guys, and let's go straight to executing that trade. Now, as you can see, the profit margin is at 2.26%. That is for the gross, but after that there's fees and net calculation. We are probably expecting to get a net profit of 1.64% after paying all the fees, because the gross profit was supposed to be at 2.26%, but we have all these fees here, guys, are going to be paid. You see, we have the network gas fee, that is for the Solana rent, the exchange taker fee, we have the Lanterns 1, Lanterns 2 bridge fees, and have the Arbitrage service fees, guys. You can see all that. Now, today we are buying on Mexkey, and we're going to sell on get.io, guys. And the price on Mexkey is at 163.66 USD, and we'll be selling at get.io at 167.36, guys. We just come down here, we hit on maximum. How much are we going to spend on this trade, guys? We're going to spend 3,587.78 USD. Hit on execute trade. Expected net profit is at $72.97, and remember, this is one in a single trade. Lock in profit and execute. Now wow, we just made a profit of 72.97 USD. That is our net profit, and that is what have been added to our main wallet, guys. Return to the dashboard. You can see it is here. It is now trade executed successfully. 72.97 added to your wallet. So let's view my wallet and see what we have. You can see now the total amount that we have is at 4,879.07. that is the total amount we have after the profit was added, guys. So when I scroll down here, let's see on the history and see what we have. On the history, guys, we see a profit that we made was 72.97 USD. Now let's go straight to the trade entry. How much do we use, or how much do we enter the trade with? We entered the trade with 3,587.51. How much was the profit? The profit was 72.97 USD, and the balance after was at 4,879.07. Remember, this balance after, guys, you also add the amount that we have in the reserve, and also the amount that we have in the arbitrage vault, guys. We also add, so everything, see, adding everything in the wallet. That is why it come up with this total trading power, guys. Yes, thank you for your time, guys, and follow me for more updates about the arbitrage trading, guys. And also, when signing up, use my promo code Mavis, you guys. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you.